Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to clear browsing history on Google Chrome step by step. This is a simple but important process, especially if you use Chrome for everyday browsing, online accounts, or work-related tasks. Open the Google Chrome browser. Chrome is one of the most widely used browsers and stores data such as visited websites, cached files, cookies, and saved login sessions to improve browsing speed and convenience. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap the More icon, the three vertical dots. From the menu that appears, tap on Settings to open Chrome's configuration options. Inside Settings, scroll down and locate the Privacy and Security section. Tap on it, then select Delete Browsing Data. This will open a new screen where you can manage what type of data you want to remove. Here you'll see several options such as browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. Make sure to check the box for browsing history. You can also choose a time range such as the last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, or all time depending on your needs. Finally, tap Delete Data. Chrome will immediately clear your browsing history, helping protect your privacy and free up storage space. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Android tips and tricks.